Friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, and what we have discussed on previous day. Friends, on previous day we clearly discussed if the market is opening below these levels, we'll be looking to sell the market and our target should be like 17,100, and if the 17,100 crosses, it will be like 17,000 levels. So today we have seen a gap down, and with the gap down there was a flush, but what was confusing is like when there was a flush, so you have to see like is there a buyer who is bidding with them, or is only the seller selling at the market. As you can notice here at these levels, watch it very carefully. The seller is dominating, but at the same time like the buyer is providing the liquidity. That means buyer wants to buy the market. It clearly shows like some or the other point the market is going to bid at a V reversal. And with that, next to this one, like even if you come at a lower levels, as you can notice here somewhere at these levels, as you can notice like here somewhere at these levels, like even the buyer is interested, buyer is interested, that means the buyer wants to buy the market. So where we got the confirmation is like, one is like we see a patterns, there is a W pattern, and second thing you can notice like there was a 300,000 amount of a delta which drastically went and reduced, and that was a very clear indication like the market is going and bidding at a higher and higher prices. Later you can notice like there was a negative delta and which turned into a good amount of a positive delta. As this was a short covering rally, the people who have shorted it, like they've covered their shorts, and the fresh shorts has been built again, and the market has reversed all the way to the 17,200 levels. So what we might expect for tomorrow, net to net, you can notice like there's not much of a buying or selling has happened in the market. So it is a net to net like negative delta. It is a neutral delta, which I would say. So neutral delta in the market. So let's see what the structural format it says. So in the structure you can clearly notice like the market has flushed and came at a gap down levels, and it came to a target of 17,100. Later it blipped up, and later it was a short covering rally. The people who have shorted are the people who have shorted here. They started to book the profits as they got overnight profit, so they started to book the profits, and later some new shorts has been entered into the market. So as you can notice, it is a completely a V reversal. So completely it is a V reversal. So what we might expect from the market tomorrow? So tomorrow, as soon as the market opens flat, if the market opens flat at 17,200 levels, and if it crosses this swing, immediately we'll be looking to sell the market, and first target should be like 17,100. And if the 17,100 crosses decisively, we even see like 17,000 levels and 16,900 as well. But I would say like 17,100, first you book your profit, later it might become a volatile market, because the shorts has been triggered from here. So the short covering came from here, and the shorts has again someone has built the short position. The market came all the way to the lower levels. So this we can expect even if the market opens flat, and if it goes higher, we'll just avoid the market. We'll see once if it crosses 17,320 levels, and if the price holds above these levels, we'll be definitely looking to buy the market, and we'll target up until 17,500. So we have to watch. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market, so we might see a more gap downs or a gap ups. So see the price action and trade accordingly. Today I expected the market, but not this much. Like this was a short covering rally. As you can notice, once the price has crossed here, the short covering took place, and later everything flushed at a lower levels. So we might see a 17,000 levels for tomorrow. Let's see the bank nifty. We'll go into the bank nifty chart in order flow. So if you look into the bank nifty order flow, the same thing has happened. The market flushed all the way to the lower levels. Again it started to rebound at a higher and higher prices. Somewhere at this point I said you to buy the put options. Please watch carefully. Once the price came, it got rejected. Second time the price got rejected, and I was expecting an M pattern. There was a large orders for present here. So I thought like the market might flush to the lower levels, and it might reach us 37,500. But what has happened, like the buyer was aggressive, and later what has happened, like the stops got triggered here. Whenever one large order has been finished, there will be always a second or third large orders. So one large order has been finished and the second large order came, and second large order the buyer couldn't lift. As you can notice here, the buyer, he started to lift the market higher, he couldn't do that. Even he lifted higher here, he couldn't do that. Even he tried here and tried here, but he couldn't lift the market. And the reason behind was it was a 38,000 was a round number, first and foremost thing. And second thing was like the buyer is no more interested to lift higher and higher prices. So market has flushed all the way to the lower levels to 37,600 levels. As you can notice, in a premium group, I set for my premium members like here. After looking at these levels, I set them to short the market. So they shorted and they got nearly 50-60 points of a profit, which is really a good amount of a profit. Not in here. I set them to enter somewhere here, and 50-60 points they made the profit, and that was really a good profit for them. Well, what we might expect from the market tomorrow? So tomorrow the same thing, even in the bank nifty as well. If the 37,600 has been decisively broken, and if the 5 minutes candle holds here, we shouldn't see like the price action like today. Today was a price action was very much passive. We should see an aggressive price action, like selling has to be aggressive. If 37,600, if it breaks decisively, and if the price holds below 37,600, first target you should be looking for 37,400, and next target should be like 37,200. If 37,200 also decisively it has been broken, we might even see like 37,000 round figure levels tomorrow. If the market is opening flat and if it is going higher, we'll just avoid the market. We'll be looking to buy only about 38,000, because we might have a multiple resistances here and here, and we'll have a multiple resistance. It is better like we just wait up until it crosses 38,000, then we'll be looking to buy the market. If it is opens big gap up and big gap down, please wait for the price action, and then we can either buy or sell the market. So sometimes I'll be saying you, if the market is coming down and if it is crossing this swing, you can add your position somewhere here. So exactly the same thing has happened. Like today, you can notice like the market came to the lower levels and it crossed all the way to the higher level. Somewhere here I said you to buy the options, because I was seeing this as a resistance, so I just avoided you. I thought it might retest, so somewhere exactly at this inside candle I said you to buy the call options, which gave us nearly 100 points of a profit. Well, net to net we had a very good day and it was a profitable day for us. We hope like tomorrow it might come a very aggressive selling to the downside, so that we can make a good amount of a profit. I hope you like my video. If so, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button and share as much as possible to your friends. Thank you so much.